My name is Kira Lowe. I'm the science lead teacher here at Franklin, and I'm currently teaching integrated biology to the ninth graders, and I'm one of the skills teachers as well. So my biggest goal for the curriculum is to make it an inquiry-based curriculum, which means we want students to become active members in the learning process and to generate their own understanding of the science content. Usually frame this as think back to when you were in school. Typically, your classroom probably had you taking notes in the beginning, right? And then maybe doing a reinforcement activity or a lab to solidify what you learned in the notes. I kind of reject that idea because we don't want to separate the learning from the doing. Instead, an inquiry-based curriculum kind of meshes them together. So students are using what are called scientific practices to generate their own understanding of these complex topics. One of my favorite units that I do in my course is about sickle cell disease. And I think what makes these units special is they are all based around an anchoring phenomena, which is an observable event that students can see or understand in real time. Sickle cell disease is an observable event, right? It's something that they maybe know a little bit about before they start the unit. But what they're doing throughout this unit is they are using these scientific practices, right? Modeling, argumentation, data analysis, to better understand the role that DNA and protein synthesis, cell structure and function, mutations, and genetics all play in a person that has sickle cell disease, right? So by the end of the unit, they can explain why our fictional character, Kennedy, has the symptoms of sickle cell disease and why this is happening to her versus another member of her family. What was proposed in the science curriculum, right, this inquiry-based instruction, active participation from students, is really aligned to our values and philosophy as a school. We are always striving to get students to engage with as many real-world problems as possible, right? We want them to leave here and to be able to engage with the world and be change makers in the world. So having an extra opportunity to do that in their science courses was very supported from the start, and I'm excited to see it through